Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to edit photos on iPhone. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Select the photo you want to edit and tap on it to open. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. A menu will appear with various editing options. Here, you'll see multiple adjustment options like exposure, brilliance, highlights, shadows, and many more. I'll adjust the exposure by sliding it left or right to change the brightness. Now I'll adjust brilliance to enhance the overall look of the photo. You can explore other options like highlights and shadows to fine-tune your image. Next, tap on filters at the bottom to apply different color effects to your photo. Browse through the available filters and select one that you like. Now, tap on the crop icon at the bottom. Here, you can crop your image by dragging the corners to adjust the frame. You can also rotate the image vertically or horizontally using the rotate icons. Now, let's try the Clean Up feature. Select Clean Up. In Clean Up mode, select the area you want to remove by tapping on it. Swipe over the unwanted part and it will be automatically removed from the photo. Once you're done editing, tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully edited a photo on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.